I won't say who I am. If Uncle wasn't welcome here...
The Island of Gozo. Polizeikisten? Ja, wie die viel Rüstchen. Der Kaktus. Den plündert ich gleich mal.
This cactus could provide some sticky juice.
Den Kaktus habe ich schon mit dabei. Den Kaktus brauchst du nicht mehr, gell? Und die Polizeikisten?
What's a police car doing here? What's a police car doing here?
Da gibt nichts, aber die ID da. Press ID. Die ist okay.
Them journalists. I know how they like to wave their IDs. This must have landed in the grass on some occasion.
Weiß nicht, doch hat er wieder weggefahren, aber wir sind ja gerade so gekommen. Am Campingplatz, jawohl. Der mich auf. Der Archäologe. Da ist ein Schrott deponiert.
It's bad manners to ruffle through someone else's belongings.
Und muss der wieder anschauen.
It's bad manners to ruffle through someone else's belongings.
Ja gut, kann der wie blöd auch immer. Wenn ihr daneben sitzt. Und kennt bald die Socke? Wie schaut das da?
Can I take a look around here?
At this hour? It's dark, you won't see a thing.
Well, I'll just take a quick look.
No, this site is currently not open to the general public.
General, is that supposed to refer to me? I knew I should have joined the Marines. When will it be?
Tourists may have to wait another few years.
Well, there's no way I'll be able to camp out here for that long.
In that case, please return home. I bid you good night.
You know I'm with the press, right?
This ID has no picture. How am I to know it's yours?
Our secretaries tend to economize on glue. You won't be minding such a detail, will you?
As a matter of fact, I will.
Please let me onto the site. I have an article to write.
No way.
How am I supposed to work in these conditions? All the office gossips are comfortably watching TV, and I'm supposed to look for this silly picture in the grass in total darkness, no less? I can't stand here forever.
Take my advice. Just go home.
So, möchte was behaupten? Möchte den Ausweis sehen.
Them journalists. I know how they like to wave their IDs. This must have landed in the grass on
Aber
some...
Chef, warte mal. Ein Bett Lobby doch, oder? Combination? Nein. So, jetzt habe ich was mitgemacht. Bottle with Clue. Ja, da habe ich ja diesen Kaktus einen Kleber gemacht. Nicht ernst. Pass auf, Kleber ist da drauf. Und das Bettel wird drauf
The
gepappt.
press ID. It gives some power.
Ja, Mann, MacGyver-mäßig. Warte, das muss passen.
This is my press ID with the picture.
All hail the Fourth Estate.
So, can you show me those discoveries?
No, I don't think so. It's rather late.
Well, what exactly is it that you're working on here?
Just standard securing procedures.
What are the police doing there?
Securing.
Sure. Another accident?
No, you've been misinformed.
So why are they here?
I've been working all day. I'm tired. I need to lie down.
Will you be in a better mood in the morning?
All right, all right. Some youngsters decided to hold a party in rather unique surroundings and entered the site. They left several empty bottles and other paraphernalia of nighttime amusements.
So this incredible discovery did not take any damage?
How do you know we've got something incredible here?
Well, such things can't be kept quiet.
Unfortunately, that seems to be true.
You're the boss around here, right? Can I take a look into the temple?
Ask the police officer. I don't know if they've secured the crime scene.
I better dash then. Do I have your permission to enter the
Also wenn er
temple?
lang Blätter herredet, dann sehe ich mich gezwungen, dass ich vom Stuhl hau. So, ich sag mal, da geht nichts mehr, oder? Dann gehen wir mal da hinten. Da wo die Polizei hauste. Ein Tempel. Jetzt halt meine Nosen da rein.
Clear spring water.
Ah, Water. Warte mal, Gießkanne habe ich dabei. Serienmäßig. Und ich passe selbstverständlich in die Hundentaschen.
Trial and error method, they say.
Tempel, ich komme. Wohin da die Polizei? Ein Generator? Ja, die Polizei. Ruinen. Underground. Ein Portal. Oh, wo bin ich reingekommen? Weiß gar nicht sagen, oder? Bin ich von drum gekommen? Ja gut, bin von drum gekommen. Ein bisschen müssen wir natürlich orientieren gehen.
Don't touch anything here. It's an archaeologist's job.
Und, mit Kisten.
This won't work.
Zum Portal.
Those ancients liked rooms with a sea view too. The portal looks as if attached to a megalithic building.
Was sagt der Generator? Kann ich da rumfummeln?
Hey, keep away from the generator.
Wer schimpft denn noch? Die Polizistin?
The entry underground is decorated with a Maltese cross, just like Uncle wrote.
Malteserkreuz. Ein der schon da.
The entry underground is decorated with a Maltese cross, just like Uncle wrote.
Hey, Frau Polizistin. Wie schaut denn aus da? Ich bin von der Presse.
I'm with the press.
So,
This guy, the director, he allowed me to come in here.
Henry Simon. He can at least hide in that trailer of his. Damn, I'm sleepy.
Yeah, me too. Except when I get back to the office, I still have that article to write.
What about?
Oh, about the teenagers who broke in here to experience their initiation.
Teenagers? I don't think so. As far as I know, some precious stones went missing. This has hardly anything to do with hormones.
What kind of stones?
I'm no specialist. All I know is that someone broke in here and it was not an amateur job. As for the rest, ask the archaeologist.
Everybody says something else about the break-in, but the
Typisch
police
Amateure.
officer seems to be the most trustworthy.
Aber ich bin ja nicht da. Ich kenne mich aus. Der will in den Underground.
Stop! No entry!
No entry. Das ist ja. Da muss ich mich zusammenreißen. Da meine ich, knallt mich ab. Aber wieso? Ich muss das aktivieren. Dann habe ich da drin ein Licht. Und dann komme ich rein. Und mal, was du jetzt? Gleich weißt du auch noch was. Ja, ich kenn bald die Socke. Ich brauch dein Rad. Mutter, wie schaut denn aus? Braucht du Wasser?
Sylvie, think. See ya.
It's bad manners to ruffle through someone else's belongings.
Trial and error method, they say. We need an alternative solution.
Und man baut einen Fisch.
This won't work.
Der frische Fisch. Also sagt er, da hängt schon wieder.
That Simon sure is weird.
Yeah, I'm standing here for hours on end, and he won't even offer me coffee.
Yeah, I've tried to find something out, but he wouldn't talk.
I'm not surprised. Post-traumatic shock.
How so?
When Simon saw some guys carrying out the stones, he asked them to return to the path of righteousness.
Didn't help?
Quite the opposite.
You wouldn't know looking at him.
They knew how to hit.
Did he recognize any faces?
All men in balaclavas look the same.
Whew, my boss is going to be ecstatic.
Boss, don't even try to write about it. Zip your mouth.
Why?
Swear you'll keep this to yourself.
Okay, I swear.
See, this is Simon's version. How can we be sure he didn't steal those stones himself?
Can I go in and take a look?
Why do you think I'm suffering here? To not let anybody in.
What's the sense in that anyway? You gonna stand here for long?
A colleague was to pick me up, but he had an urgent job call on the way. This interests you?
For the front page.
Sure. Drunken parrot, offended tourists.
You don't think the boss is gonna give me a raise after such a headline?
I'm sorry for you. In all this boredom, a break-in is quite the story.
So, will you let me in?
Get me a cup of coffee, and you'll buy yourself exactly the time I'll take to drink it.
Eine Tasse Kaffee. Aha.
Have a nice evening.
Au, Chefin. Du gehst keiner.
No can do.
Nick, hier schmeckt dir nicht. Oh, Scheiße. Er muss eine Tasse Kaffee auftreiben. Vielleicht hat der Camper was. Ich meine, der muss was haben.
Mr. Simon finally retired. Better late than never.
Da will das Simon, will nicht immer. Aber das kann ich mir noch schauen. Ja, da bei seinem Grippel, was hat er denn da? Ein Gasbader? Dann ein Kanister, den brauche ich.
Might come in handy. The archaeologist is soundly asleep. You could steal him along with his trailer, and he'd never notice.
So, da haben wir jetzt.
Trial and error method, they say.
Ein Gitter.
We need an alternative solution.
Das ist mit die Mine da.
It's good the pig got stuck. This isn't the kind of profession
Hey,
I'd
boom,
select for
left.
training. Should Simon wake up, he won't recognize me in this darkness.
Wake up, warum pennt der da drin? So, da kriege ich einen Windel, gell? American, left. Einen Haken brauche ich ja.
No can do.
Moment, bis ausprobieren.
If I can't grant the mackerel access to the internet, let it at least read some paper.
Internet, haben wir.
Without good lighting, there's not much I can do. Without good lighting, there's not much I can do.
Oh Scheiße, brauchst du Licht. Warte mal.
I need both my hands free. I should hang this flashlight somewhere.
Moment, häng mal auf.
What does an archaeologist store on a computer?
Bitte, Chefin. Braucht einen Becher? Was hat er durchgestellt? Metalldetektor. Der ist aber gut. Da war Fotos, gell? Der Kaffee?
I know
Sehr
someone
gut.
who just longs for a sip of coffee. Interesting. I think I'll print this out as a keepsake.
Print out. Zeig dir nur einen Drucker? Ja, wo war der Drucker? Ah, da ist er. Pass auf. Haben wir noch Nüsse? Also sagt, wir haben sie, oder? Aus sie da. Bevor es noch auffällt.
I'll look through the archaeologist's papers too.
Hat ein Lämpchen mit den da lassen. Also sagt er, wir machen da oben. Ich meine, ich bin ein bisschen ausgerüstet. Das ganze Inventar ist voll. Chefin, da kommt die Brotzeit.
If I give her caffeine to liven her up, she won't let me out of her sights.
So, pass auf. Die Kanne. Thomas. Hau sie um die Ohren.
Sylvie, think. I'd like to take a look inside.
Coffee first, okay?
Kaffee first. Wir sind süchtiger.
If I give her caffeine to liven her up, she won't let me out of her sights. Trial and error method, they say.
Und, was sagt er? Da ist drin, oder was? Oh, Scheiße. Bleibt nicht drum, voilà. Übertreibt nicht.
The girl in the uniform dreams of a nap. This little mixture will help her doze off.
Haha. Hätte man nur versagt. Aber es muss hier haben, oder?
Here's the coffee.
Thanks. Where'd you get it from?
Anything for our readers.
You know, you're a cool girl.
Drink slowly. If you hurry, you'll upset your stomach.
All right, get in. But when I look in, that means you're done, okay?
Yes, officer.
I'm a pretty girl.
Go.
Drink slowly. Take your time.
Go on. You're wasting precious seconds.
Und wie schaut denn aus?
Have a nice evening.
Ja, so mit die viel Zeit brauchen, oder? Höchstwahrscheinlich. Ein Hinweis.
Reconstruction or instruction. 4 pedestals and stone elements with inscriptions on them.
Ja, wie du schon, ne?
Hey, keep away from the generator.
Are these the little stone sculptures my uncle wrote about?
Die 4 Skulpturen. Denkt halt um die gleichen Zeichen.
Are these the little stone sculptures my uncle wrote about? When people are asleep, machines are awake.
Ja, kann ich denn? Warte mal. Vielleicht geht das.
Don't touch anything here. It's an archaeologist's job.
This won't work. We need an alternative solution. No can do.
How can du? So zumindest nicht.
We need an alternative solution.
Oh, du möchtest wieder irgendwas kombinieren. Aber höchstwahrscheinlich hier nicht, oder? Sie pennt noch nicht. Aber den Kaffee da nicht mehr, oder? Hey Freunde, nicht pennt. Hier mit Telefon. Der sollte jetzt gar nicht da rumfummeln. Der Radiator. Kühlwasser.
I don't have the strength to lug this watering can around.
Bei der Plaft. Eine Spritze wieder durch dabei, gell?
I'll leave the gas can by the generator. They might need it.
Okay, bumm, dann Song. Gas geben.
Uncle was right. This chamber is exquisite.
Aha, da ist der Blutschü von dem Bettel. Aber höchstwahrscheinlich breit, oder? Die 4 Würfel, oder?
Reconstruction or instruction. 4
Oh, hier krieg ich die.
pedestals and stone elements with inscriptions on them.
Ich glaube, die muss ich jetzt ausgehoben.
It looks as if the Knights Hospitaller adapted a prehistorical temple for their own purposes. I wonder what's further on.
Ja, sag mal, wenn ich die 4 Würfel platziere, dann werden die Tür öffnen.
Reconstruction or instruction. 4 pedestals and stone elements with inscriptions on them. This won't work.
Don't work, ja, denke ich mir. Weil die fehlt. Genau wie bei den 3 anderen Podeste. Dann drum, der Würfel.
This won't work.
Aber muss ich nicht? Kein Draht. Ja gut, faktisch die Firma. Schau mich durch die.
I saw something again. Am I okay? What is this knight doing?
Frame. Dort ist das Portal.
Another portal. Magnificent. What an interesting construction.
Aber mit dem Detektor.
Trial and error method, they say. We need an alternative solution.
Ich hätte eher gesagt draußen, oder? Bei dem Grupp.
Figure in the dark can't have friendly intentions, and I really don't want to meet them face to face. I better scram.
Ja gut, keine Panik. War gut, der Heilige Geist.
I have to think this through. Maybe that Anderson guy can help. I hope he's in.
Wer mit der Anderson? Der war doch nicht daheim. Aber ich sag da. Da kann was gehen. Bei den Grab dort, pass auf.
I found something.
Metall.
I should act according to the rules of the profession.
Moment, ausbüsteln. Was habe ich da in den Ring?
What a discovery. A signet ring with the Knights Hospitaller's coat of arms. Which century is it from? 17th? Perhaps even 16th.
Hey, das hier.
What a discovery. A signet ring with the Knights Hospitaler's coat of arms. Which century is it from? 17th? Perhaps even 16th?
Und Chefin, was du jetzt? Hätte mal Bayern. Das ist um.
The portal looks as if attached to a megalithic building.
Mein Ring. Geht der doch?
Trial and error
Nein.
method, they say.
Oder möchtest du mit der Beute abhauen?
The generator's working. There's no point in fiddling with it.
Oder mit dem Ring da oben. Aber wenn da noch ein Typ da unten ist.
This figure in the dark can't have friendly intentions. And I really don't want to meet them face to face. I better scram.
Nicht face to face.
This figure in the dark can't have friendly intentions.
Ja gut, die Mette oben.
And I really don't want to meet them face to face. I better scram.
Überzeugt? Ich schleich mich. Freunde, wir hören ab. Mit dem Roller. Der rauscht wahrscheinlich nichts mehr, oder? Und wo bin ich?
Where am I going? I didn't take all the items.
All die Items? Oh Gott.
Where am I going? I didn't take all the items.
Scheinbar fehlt mir was. Mein Lämpchen kriege ich aber nicht mehr, oder? Tablet? Aha. Die Sterntafel.
A picture of a stone tablet. It's covered with inscriptions similar to those on the
Und
value
jetzt ist die Lösung. Schön,
Can't
jetzt
very
hab
well leave proof of a break-in.
Aha, seht das? Ich glaub, das war's. Ich hab dir heute ein bisschen blöd gemacht. Wenn die aufsteht, dann hängt da eine Lampe. Und wenn der Leid, dann kann ich abreißen.
I've had enough. It's time to go back to La Valletta. Maybe I should catch some sleep too.
Zurück nach La Vetta. Auf geht's.